Hi everyone, it's Tara. So I am back to share what I picked up from Tuesday morning. So let's get started. So I picked up these glass bottles. They were $1.49 by Artsy, and I like them because the opening is wide. I don't know if you can tell, but the opening is quite wide, so I can I want to put some sequin, like a sequin mix in these. So I got those three for $1.49. That's not bad. I also picked up this die from Tonic, and it was $2.49. And I wanted to cut it out before I started this video, but maybe I'll add that to the end. I'll show you what it looks like cut out. But I thought that was cute to add to packaging when you're sending Happy Mail or for cards or whatever. I also picked up these storage, what are they? The storage jars from We Are Memory Keepers, $1.99. And I just like to keep like beads and sequins in these. So I got those. I also picked up this punch, and I've always wanted this punch and I could never find it when it was at Joann's. So it's the little mini bow punch, and it was $4.99. I thought that was a pretty good deal. So can't wait to play with that. I also got this border punch, and again it's by Fiskars, and it was $4.99. And it's like a heart. It has the heart. Let's see. So you can see the hearts. Border punch. So I thought that would be fun to play with Valentine's Day coming up. So I got that. All right. I found a bunch of stuff from the Florist Collection, which I was very excited about because I do have some of the pieces that I got from Joann's when it was at the Joann's store, but I didn't have this. So I got the ephemera, and it was $1.99, which I thought that was a really good price for this. And I am going to open this up, so if you're interested to see what all the pieces look like, I'm going to add that to the end of the video, so you'll want to stay tuned for that. I got these mini tassels. I thought these were really, really cute. $2.99. I mean, the price is a little bit high, but I just thought they were really cute. And this is also for the Florist Collection. I found these stickers, again, from Flourish. And I don't have these. I thought these were really, really cute. I love these little word type of stickers because they're great for like layering and stuff like that. So I got those. Let me just... There you go. You can kind of see better. So like the little hearts down there. Those are cute. Just pull this one out also. And it has like a rose gold. Well, some of them. This is like a gold foiling, and then this sheet has like a rose gold foiling with the words. And my camera, I don't know why. There we go. It's kind of picking it up. Hopefully you can see. But so that's that one, and then you get the alphas on this side and on this side, and some of them have that rose gold foiling as well. So I got that for $1.99. It's not a bad deal. I also picked up these thickers. Now I thought these were a little bit expensive, $2.99. So I only got one, but that's his happy, right underneath there, Happy Day. And they're really pretty. And I especially love the little puffy hearts. So I'm not sure what collection this is from, but yeah, I got it. So perfect for Valentine's Day. I did find the chipboard for the Flourish. I just took it out of the packaging, but it was $2.99, as you can see there. And I was excited to find the chipboard, because this is one of the pieces I didn't have. I have most of the stickers and the 6x6 and the 6x8 that came from Joann's, and I'll show you the difference because I did find the paper pad here at Tuesday morning. But the chipboard is so pretty, so I'm happy I found that. I also picked up these stickers, and this is from the Willow Lane collection, and these were $2.49, and I just thought that they would go well with some of the other collections that I have. So, and I love these, the hearts again. So that's that. Now, I thought that would be cute for birthdays too, the yay. And yeah, I like the cute. It's just a nice thicker pack, I guess. And that was $2.49. I don't know if I said that. So I got those. And then I got the Clearly Bold Acetate pad from We Are Memory Keepers, $6.99. Let me put this out the way. So this was $6.99, and you get, I'm not sure, 12 sheets, and you get one of each. And so you have the polka dots here, the stripes, in white, like an aqua or teal color, yellow, orange. Is that orange? Wait a minute. Maybe this is more green. I'm not sure. It's like a neon orange. And then the hot pink there. And then the purple. So I got that to use for die cutting. Oh, this is another thing. I think I have this already, but it's from Pink Paisley. I saw it sitting there. Yeah, this is from June. It was $1.99, so I figured I'd just grab it because I do love this collection. The Confetti Wishes, so pretty. So I got that. And then I was able to find the Flourish 6x8 pad. This was $2.99, and it has the gold foiling, and it is very different. I pulled out, this is the one I got from Joann's, or that was available at Joann's, and the colors are a little bit different. I think the ones in this one are like a little bit more pastel, but the prints are definitely different. So this is the one from Joann's. I feel like the colors are a little bit bolder, but this one has the foiling, which I like. So let's go ahead and flip through this. Can you see that gold foiling? I'm just going to turn it sideways here. I love this page with the peacocks. So you only get one of each print or design. So if you want, you know, doubles, you'll have to buy two. But so that's the Flourish. I was also able to find this word punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. It was $19.99, and I was really excited to find this. I want to say maybe someone returned it or something, because I hadn't seen this in my store, and the date on here says July 2019. So yeah, maybe it was a return, but I opened it up and it didn't look like, you know, anything was missing. So I'm excited to play with this and yeah, see what I come up with. I also found the Blowing Kisses collection kit by Echo Park. This was $5.99. And I have this collection. I actually bought it when it first came out. I got it from scrapbook.com. And so I know that when they make them for Tuesday morning, they're a little bit different. Not different, but I don't think you get two of each of the papers. But you do get the sticker sheet. So I'm going to open this one up if you want to stay tuned for that. And then I also found the Hello Easter, again by Echo Park. And this was $5.99 as well. So I love the colors on here. I think I have this in a digital collection, but Now I have the actual paper and the stickers. So I'm going to open this one up as well. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stay tuned. I'm also going to open this up. So if you're done and you don't want to see any of this stuff, you've already seen it or you have it, then I'm going to say my goodbyes now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. If you want to see this, then keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and put this in fast play, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.